Okay, so I have the Google Chrome, all right, launch, and of course I key in a bunch of the months over here. Okay, and let's say I'm looking for January, but I do not want to manually search for it. Okay, here is how you can actually use the if function. Right. So in this case, or this is actually your condition. So if A4, which is this cell over here, is equal to this text January, but if this condition is true, then this will be output. But otherwise, this will actually be output. Right? And I just copy the whole thing downwards. Okay? Just copy the whole thing downward. And of course, the cell will change. So this is A5, this is A6, this is A7, and it will actually identify the January text. But of course, it has a problem. What if I shorten the word January to just Jan? Because it is basically all right, not the same anymore because JAN and January is actually not the same. Okay, and just to complete this case, all right. So case, no problem. Right, it still can understand right different case, but okay, when the characters are different, you don't understand. Okay, so hope that this small little clip about if function in Google Sheet helps you.